sightings at the location, and it is said that the voices of crying children can be heard coming from the abandoned house at all hours of the night.
صوت أطفال ولا لا؟ شوف شايفين صوت.
Sure enough, within a few minutes of entering the house, Yasa begins to hear a strange noise that sounds like screaming. But he just laughs it off, asking, is this the voice of screaming children or not?
صوت أطفال ولا لا؟ شوف شايفين صوت.
However, Yasa becomes a bit more rattled when he begins to hear strange noises upstairs that sound like a small child's footsteps running across the floor.
والله أنا خفت. طيب هذا ايش؟ تتوقع في فيران يعني جوا ولا ايش؟ انتوا سامعين؟
And then this.
انتوا سامعين؟ شفتوا؟ تعال.
Some strange black shape seems to peek around the corner at him and then disappears back into the darkness. After this encounter, Yasa decides to make a quick exit from the house. So, Yasa claims that he caught a jinn or a ghost on camera in this abandoned haunted house. But what do you think? Michael McGee has one of the longest running paranormal YouTube channels of all time. Michael claims that a ghost or some otherworldly entity has been following him for over 8 years. And he says that he's captured multiple videos of this spirit on tape. So it should come as no surprise that Michael seems to remain relatively calm when confronted yet again with his supernatural stalker thumping on the ceiling.
Alright, so it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm in the house alone. Sean's gone to work, and as you can hear, it's been stomping for about 5 minutes. I've just got the camera out, so I'm going to go see if we can capture something on tape. Sorry, it's getting louder. Hello? I know you're in there, you may as well show yourself. Oh. This is getting old. That's all you've got then? Can you do anything else for me? Anything at all? That's about right.
Now, if you listen closely, you can actually hear some bizarre low voice seem to answer when Michael says hello before walking into the room.
Hello? I know you're in there, you may as well show yourself.
And after he enters the room, something seems to attempt to escape down the stairs. So is Michael haunted by some strange entity, or is it all just an elaborate hoax? An 8-year-long one? Let me know what you think. By the way, if you want to see more of Michael McGee's paranormal investigations, be sure to check out his YouTube channel. What I might see. Will I see something that never lets me sleep quite as soundly ever again? Or will it just be random, boring footage? Well, in this next series of clips, a security camera system became a nightmare for a man who put up a motion and voice-activated camera in his detached garage after several unexplained occurrences. First, the camera just begins to pick up unexplained motion and sound in the middle of the night. Then, electronics in the garage seemingly turn on and off all by themselves. Strange visual disturbances begin to be detected by the system's motion sensors. And then, creepiest of all, late one night, a strange disembodied voice is detected by the security camera audio.
Silenced.
Some otherworldly presence just seems to scream, "Silence," in a voice. Dan isn't a ghost hunter by any stretch of the imagination, he just explores abandoned buildings. And that's pretty much all he does. So if you see something weird happen in one of Dan's videos, then you can pretty much be sure that something weird actually happened. So someone sent me a link to this video of Dan Bell exploring the abandoned historic Hilltop House in Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. As far as I know, it's one of only 2 videos of Dan Bell actually getting freaked out by something that could be supernatural.
I keep hearing stuff upstairs. Oh my God. Someone just said help.
So, did Dan Bell capture some paranormal activity in his urban exploration video? Is that voice saying help? Or is it just some random natural sound? It should be noted that Dan himself says he was freaked out, but didn't claim to know what the strange sounds might have been.
At around the 10-minute mark of this video, you'll see an incident that occurred that completely freaked me out, completely terrified me. I had to really fight to continue filming and to get the video done because I drove all the way up here. I want to shoot this thing. I'm not gonna chicken out and run out. The incident really freaked me out.
Let me know what you think down in the comments.